Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today's a quick tip video. People running a Samsung Galaxy S9 may have this problem when your operating system decides to do an update and it changes all your video settings. That's what happened to me. All my video settings changed on me. I didn't know it until I got home after taking a video and everything was all out of whack. So how to fix this is go to with your video app running, go to the settings, click on settings, and I want the rear camera. I use the rear camera always. So click on the rear camera. Now to change your settings, this is actually changed. It's not the same way it used to be before. This is the new way. Look for a blue. When you see blue, it's actually a hyperlink. Just like in a computer, a hyperlink. So if you want to change your video resolution settings, click on this and select it. Click whatever you want and you're done. They changed it. Before it was more detailed settings, but the new operating update changed it and they kind of messed things around and made it a little harder to find. So I just want to pass along this quick tip. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.